Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code Beyond Degree. Today I am going to walk you through the process of creating and publishing your first blog post in WordPress. But before you get started, let's make sure you have everything set up. First thing first, make sure you have WordPress installed and your website up and running. Once you are logged into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the post tab on the left hand side and click on Add New. Now it's time to unleash your creativity and start writing your first blog post. The WordPress editor is your canvas where you can craft your masterpiece. Start by giving your post a catchy title that grabs the reader's attention. Use the editor to write your content, breaking it up into paragraphs and using headings to organize your thoughts. Don't forget to add images or other media to make your post visually appealing. Now, here is where things get more interesting. Introducing the Yoast SEO plugin, your secret weapon for optimizing your blog post. With Yoast SEO, you can easily optimize your post for your target keywords, improve readability, and even preview how your post will appear in search result. Once you have finished writing your post, scroll down to the Yoast SEO section below the editor. Here you will see a snippet preview of how your post will look in search results. Start by entering your focus keyword. The main keyword you want your post to rank for. Yoast SEO will then analyze your content and provide suggestions to help you improve your SEO. Pay attention to the SEO analysis, which provides valuable insights into your post readability, keyword usage, meta description, and more. Take a time to address any issue highlighted by Yoast SEO, such as improving the length of your content, adding relevant keywords, or enhancing readability. Once you have satisfied with the Yoast SEO analysis, it's time to hit the publish button. But wait, before you do this, take a moment to review your post one last time to ensure everything looks perfect. And there you have it. Your first blog post is live for the world to see. Well, that's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started with blogging in WordPress. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for further notification. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep motivated, keep learning.